Good morning, everyone. I'm Heather Fleming, founder of Conscious Nutrition and author of Meals and Feels. We almost ran out of them on Amazon, but it looks like they upped it. So thank you, everyone, for buying my recipe book. Of course, I'm probably gonna have a 2.0 version. I already found some things I want to shift. This isn't like a perfection recipe book. This is more like getting your creative juices going and connected to your body. If you're an emotional eater like me, that may be difficult at times. So what we do is we just kind of untangle it, right? So today, I just went to my dad's chemo appointment. He has four more. So today, after today, he'll have 3 more. So we talked to the doctor about the next steps and such. Yeah, he's doing way better than I expected. Going out of town this weekend for my beautiful friends' families' funerals, and I wanted to make this for everybody, and also wanted to clean out my veggie drawer because I'll be gone for a couple days. So I'm combining 2 recipes of my own. So it's my green curry delight with my mung beans. I know, I'm trying something new. So what I did is I warmed up some organic butter, and I'm gonna do potatoes. I have some potatoes that need to be eaten. Ooh, yum, already smells good. So I have been noticing, I have one food allergy and it's eggplant. And then I'm sensitive to a couple other things, but I'm starting to see red curries, like red peppers, chili peppers, chili. My wonderful friend Matt he owns tomato. That's how I have to remember it. It just, when I look at it, I want to say it different. So Matt owns this company, and they have some blends without garlic, which I'm a little sensitive to, and now red peppers coming up for me because I had a red curry, and then I had chili the other day, and then my friend Mary made mole, and I had little sensitivities. So I'm gonna do green curry paste. I think I'll do better with that, even though it is green chili pepper. I don't know. I'm gonna try that. So nightshades are potatoes, eggplant, paprika, what else is in there? Tomatoes. So sometimes when we do my programs, we just reduce those just so you can calm down some inflammation, so you can connect with your body, connect with your emotions. Sometimes when we're inflamed, it's harder to connect with them. All right, so let's just use this real quick. So I'm gonna brown the potatoes, and then I'm probably gonna do my carrots next. And I don't have any broth, but I have some of my bison bone broth powder. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that in here. Oh my God, I love this stuff so much. It's so healing. And then I'm gonna do some really good water. So this will be the mung bean soup. So here's my mung beans. I soaked them yesterday. So you wanna soak them to help with the phytates, with digestion. Yeah, I soaked them yesterday and then rinsed them today. I meant to rinse them last night, but I rinsed them today. Yeah, they smell good. So I'm gonna do, you know what? I'm gonna do the potatoes and the mung, and then the carrots and the celery. I need to cut those up. So, and then I'm gonna do the curry here. So this is the green curry delight with mung beans with coconut milk. So I'm gonna do the green curry with coconut milk. So let me get this going. So I want this to get all the flavor in there. And then, yeah, I'll add the celery and carrots. That's it. Because my celery needs to be eaten too. So this is a great time to, clean out your vegetable drawer, make a big pot of things, of soup, stew, and maybe I'll do this. I should have had my assistant, Ruka. Ruka wasn't assisting. She's busy eating. She always loves to eat while I do these videos. She loves to be in the kitchen. All right. Oh my God, yum. So we're gonna do green curry paste with coconut milk here. And I'll let that simmer. So that's probably take an hour and a half. So I'm taking it to friends. My friend Mary at lunch, her lunch. She loves mung beans and she needs extra nourishment right now. And I'm benefiting too because I made them that rice, the shrimp, rice, beans turned out great. It was almost like the inside of a burrito. So it was cool. It was really thick. What did we say we would have done different? Oh, more shrimp. We would have done more shrimp. Someone said chicken, but I'm chickened out. So I'm burnt out on chicken. So a lot of cultures live on beans. So I say we try more beans, everyone. A little more beans. So yeah, I'm gonna do coconut milk. Where's my can opener? Where are you, can opener? Oh, there you are. So I'm gonna put that in, let that all simmer, and like I said, I'm gonna taste test it, see if it needs anything else. And then the coconut milk. You could do coconut cream too. Oh yeah, this is kind of creamy. Oops. There we have it. All right. So there we go. So yeah, so this will be a combined meal in my food tree. So my food tree just has us rotate. So there's all these restricted diets out there. Cool. This is helping us, you know, hopefully with digestion, hopefully with inflammation. So with my food tree, this would be a combined meal because the potatoes potatoes over here and the beans are over here. So I put beans in the protein section. They're half protein, half starch. I was just seeing a lot of my clients were vegetarians and eating a lot of beans and starches and not feeling so well, so I separated them. So if you did it without potatoes, it would have been a protein meal. If you did it without mung beans, it would have been a starch meal. Cool, huh? So there's nothing perfect. There's no such thing. It's just, I say rotating them and just see how you feel. And then the vegan meals are veggies and fats. So I'm throwing off the vegan vibe a little bit because you can make anything vegan on the whole tree. But the vegan is just sometimes you think you need a protein or you think you need a starch, but you actually aren't that hungry. And a vegan meal made exactly what you want. So that would be if we did this without, we just did the coconut milk and the green curry with carrots and celery. That would have been really good. That would have been a vegan meal. Also, you can do fruits and fats together. So like an apple with nut butter would be a vegan meal. And I'm doing this just so we don't think so much and we start to feel a little more. And that feeling thing, we've never really been trained to be like, oh wow, I feel this will support me. But we're all trying to think it, or comfort. I was comfort eating yesterday, for sure, for sure. All right, so this would be a combined meal. And enjoy, it's a vegetarian combined meal too, which is super great for us because meat takes a little bit longer to digest at times. When your stress levels are higher, you might have compromised stomach acid. So, all right, I'll let you know the consensus on this. So it's green curry delight and mung beans in here, and I combined them. I still even sometimes glance at some recipes online just to see, like, oh, that would be good with it. Oh, I'll add that. So this is just like a beginner guide, and then you can do like a little more fine tuning, especially if you're a better cook than I am, fine tuning with some ingredients in there. So, all right, everyone, have a beautiful day.